In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Zoom language. If you want Zoom to display menus and settings in a different language, the process is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. First, open your Zoom account on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before continuing, since the language setting is tied to your profile. Once Zoom is open, go to the top right corner of the window and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, select Settings. A settings window will appear. In the settings window, look over to the left-hand panel and click My Account. After that, choose Edit My Profile. Zoom will then open your default web browser and take you to your account profile page online. Depending on your session, Zoom may ask you to log in again at this point. If that happens, simply enter your login details and continue. When you arrive at your profile page in the browser, look for the language section. This is the setting that controls the language used for your Zoom interface. On the right side of that section, click Edit. Now click the language drop-down field. You'll see a list of available languages. Select the language you want to use. Take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one, since this will change how Zoom appears across your account settings and interface. After selecting your preferred language, click Save to apply the change. That's the final step. Once saved, your Zoom language preference will be updated. If you don't see the change right away, it can help to close Zoom completely and reopen it. In some cases, refreshing the browser or signing out and back in may also help the update appear properly. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Zoom. This is a useful setting if you're more comfortable navigating Zoom in another language, or if you're setting up the account for someone else and want the interface to be easier for them to use. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to change Zoom language.